this is the hip release move. It's really good for hip pain and mobility, especially if you have pain down kind of in the sit zone area or even a little bit of the sciatic pain. This will help with that. I'm going to turn sideways. I do like to do my fascial maneuvers in the grass. It helps me get grounded, but when I'm sitting and lying down, it's not as comfortable in the grass. So I'll kind of be on angle here so you can see. So I'm going to lean back. I'm going to cross my right leg over my left leg. So the knees are close together, not out here, but like so the knees are close together. And I'm going to reach and grab both shins, and I'm going to pull in and pull out with my hands. And then I kind of sit up as I can, as far as I can, and I can feel it in that hip. And we're going to do breathing, and you can do this as many breaths as you want till you feel that hip kind of relax and release. So we'll just start breathing in threes, in through the nose, out through the mouth in the mouth, out the mouth, and back to the nose. So we're just going to kind of go back and forth until I feel like my hip has released. And you can kind of move around a little bit if you feel like you need to move around. And if you want to look, I usually look in the opposite direction, so I'll look to my right shoulder here. And you can stay here, or you can even like tip your legs away to get an even deeper stretch into that right hip. So my legs are going to the left and I'm looking to the right. And if you need to regrip, as you need to, in the mouth, out the mouth. And just do this until you feel like that hip has released. And now we're going to go ahead and go to the other side. So now I'm bringing my left leg over to the top, getting those knees close together, so it's not out here. Those knees are close together. I'm going to grab my shins, and I'm going to pull them in, and I'm pulling them down as well. So in and down. And start breathing again. And pull that belly button into your spine. This helps support your body as you're in this position. If you can't bring your head up, you can leave it down. Both will give you a good stretch. So do what feels good to your body. And then I'm going to rotate my hips a little bit to the right, my head to the left, and continue the breathing. The breathing is what allows that fascia to stretch. If you aren't breathing, you aren't stretching. Breathe deep. Let your body expand with it. And then keep doing this until you feel that hip has released. And then once you're done, get up, go for a walk for 45 seconds to 3 minutes. Help it integrate, feel what your body feels, feel any differences in your body from where you were before you started this exercise. And again, this will help with all that hip area. And our hips are related to the shoulders. So if you're having both issues, they will help each other. So doing some of our upper body stretches along with the hips, they'll support each other because the hips and the shoulders are related. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in our comment section below. And thanks again for watching the video on the hip release.